Ever wondered how your favorite apps send you SMS notifications or allow you to make in-app calls? That's often thanks to Twilio, a powerful cloud communication platform. And in the next minute and a half, we'll break down exactly how it works. First, Twilio provides a set of APIs, which are essentially pre-built tools that developers can use to integrate communication features into their applications. Think of these APIs as building blocks. You have blocks for SMS messaging, voice calls, video conferencing, email, and more. Now, a developer working on an application uses these APIs to define how they want communication to work. They write code that interacts with Twilio's platform using these APIs. When your application needs to send an SMS, it sends a request to Twilio's cloud infrastructure using the SMS API. Twilio then takes that request, translates it, and delivers the SMS message to the intended recipient's phone. What's really cool is that Twilio handles all the complex backend infrastructure, managing connections with global telecom providers, so you don't have to. Plus, Twilio offers a wealth of analytics and reporting tools. This allows developers to track the performance of their communication features and optimize their workflows. So, whether it's sending appointment reminders or enabling in-app customer support, Twilio empowers businesses to build custom communication solutions, enhancing customer engagement and streamlining communication workflows. Learn more at Twilio.com.